Hi, hello. I hope this message finds you well. I wanted to respond to your question about guidance on the 7 minutes meditation. Very simple. You sit in a comfortable position, feet not crossed, hands not crossed, palms up. And for the first 2 minutes, you do ask whatever you need, whatever you want to take care of, prompt recovery, business, more calm, more focus. If you don't know what to ask for order inside. Then the remaining 5 minutes, is pretty much a time of paying attention to all your bodily sensations. That's how healing is actually being received. So like the cat in front of the mice house, any tingling, heat, cold, any sensation, you zoom into it with your mind's eye. If you get overwhelmed with thoughts, you know by now what to do with negative thoughts, and you can also focus on beauty. So get rid of the negative thoughts, send them to the black hole, turn them to something positive, offer the positive to God, and focus on the beautiful, and but more importantly, listen to your body, because that's how reception is happening. If you find yourself asking a lot and realizing there is more things that you want to ask, that's okay. And be kind to yourself, and please send us some of those good vibes. We do feel them. I hope this answers your questions. Be well and prompt recovery.